that's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free.
Oh, boy, we beat him to the punch that time. Come on, the whole 40 of y'all take on one at a time. Come on.
Open sesame!
Open wide. Wait for me, wait for me. Oh, I wonder what that word was he used when he opened this door. Open, sissy. Open, say so. Oh, that can't be it. Oh, it's giving way, it's giving way. Oh, that was me that was giving way, huh? Whoa, well. There's a violation for not having no exit that you can go into.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the channel, The Law and the Promise, where we discuss, meditate, think about, just, ponder upon the laws of mind that govern our lives and their principle. It's good to know the things that govern your life. And today we're going to jump right into it. It's digging deeper into the law of opulence. The word opulence is just another way of saying wealth. It's another way of saying abundance. Same thing said differently. It is a law. There is a constant source of supply for you, no matter what. This is about having an attitude, okay? This is business, okay? Don't take it personal. It's business, okay? So it's having an attitude. You've already done the prep work. You've already done the hard work about the soul and, the I am, the I, and how your life is governed by these laws. And that there's two laws that with the 13th law override them all, the three of them, okay? All the karmic laws. And the law of opulence is a karmic law, okay? And this is what the Bible means: seek ye first the kingdom of God, and the rest will come to you. Okay, well, just go rest in the kingdom of God. Go to the kingdom of God and take what you want, right? Okay, God's in your heart. He certainly knows what you want. He sent you the desire to begin with. Okay, so if you're not living in abundance, then you need to look around you and see that you are. Whatever you think you are not living in abundance in, and usually this is money, then this is what you need to look at. And seek ye first the kingdom of God. Okay, that means go to God first, see it from God's point of view first. Okay. And then move from there. So that means looking at it from the state of principle. And there's always a supply. A supply is another way of saying abundance. There's a steady stream of supply and abundance, okay, of supply, wealth. That's what this is. Okay, and it doesn't matter what it is. You are the center of the universe. You give it purpose. Without you, it has no life. It has no purpose. You give it purpose. Okay, that's what you're giving. All right, now it gives to you. Okay, you're giving it life. You're always giving it life, and it gives to you. And if you are stating, I have places to go, things to do, and people to see, I have a need for you, it's time for us to get going, thank you for, dropping some financial abundance in my lap. A few million would work. Thank you. You're not asking for infinite riches. You just need some seed money. Okay? And you're going to invest. Now you know what you're doing. You're not wasting. You're not spending. You're not using. It's all an investment. And those words mean the same thing. Spend, use, I mean, invest. It's an investment. What good is food if you're not eating it? It's rotting and being thrown away. Okay. What good is the air if you're not breathing it? It's just sitting there. Okay. What good is the electricity if you're not turning it off and on and using it? What good is it? And it's nothing. It ain't no good. That's why you give it purpose. Money is a medium of exchange. You give it purpose. Okay. I have, a need for you. It pleases me that my bank account is full. You fill up your barns. Okay. And give the rest away. You don't need all that. Take what you need and a little more and give the rest away. Okay. That's it. Because it'll be a steady stream. Okay, that and more will come. Because you're putting it to work. Okay, you're giving everything purpose. They work for you. They serve you. You serve them. You give them life. Now, what kind of life are you going to give them? They're good people. I have all these people come clean my house and do wonderful things, and they pack up all my stuff and move me for myself, and they, give me houses and they give me cars and transportations and, and it's beautiful. It's wonderful. They make the most wonderful things. I give them money and they give me the most lovely things, I give money purpose. And it helps me please my people. And therefore, my people please me. Okay, they're here to please me. That baker is here to please me. He bakes the best bread. Now, that pizza place is here to please me. They make the best pizza. The crust is absolutely perfect. The best. Do you see how this works? You are the center of the universe. You need to cop an attitude when it comes to what you're trying to manifest as concerns you live in your life and live in a good life. I live a good life. It can be no other way. Okay? I'm giving purpose to the universe and all within it. And in return, they give me their best. That's all. They give me their best. I love them. They're the best. And when I need them, they come out and help me. Okay? And it's the little man in here who does the calling. The little Oompa Loompa, the little man, the little woman, whatever you want to call it, the little fairy. Hello, people. So I hope this helps you understand about feeling. It's the secret. It's a freaking attitude. Catch the mood. At 72 hours, Betty. And we see that manifested in our lives in the stock market. An option is a right to buy a stock at a certain price or to sell a stock at a certain price. Okay, it gives you great leverage. 1 for 100. Okay. So this is how it's manifest in the physical world. And in the physical world, if you exercise your right, they must deliver that stock at that price within 72 hours. They got 72 hours. Okay? It's the same thing. You're exercising your right to life, to liberty. I have a right to liberty. I have a right to live free and clear. Okay? Of all things. Nobody gets to stop me. I get to speak and say my mind as long as I'm not being, rude or harmful, in it. As long as I'm not thinking ugly, it'll all work out. It's only going to hurt me, not them. Okay, so who's getting hurt here? All right, really. If you're hurting other people, if they're in your face but you hurt me, it's because you're hurting yourself somehow, some way. Okay, you're a projector. Okay, So stand up tall. You are the center of the universe. Faith, faith, faith in the principle is principle. And that's the beauty of it. It's going to work whether you have faith in it or not. Whether you believe it's going to happen or not. Okay? It's going to happen. It just depends on when. Okay? If you have to let go because you're all caught up in the physical world, well, you're going to have to drop it completely. Okay? But if you're wrapping this stuff around you and starting to understand that spirit comes first, then it's, I know the feeling. I know the feeling of when it's done. I know. I can let go of this now. I know it's done. It's all good. Besides, that was great feeling that relief. It was great. It was great. So I hope this helps. It's about getting an attitude. Okay, and people try to describe it as confidence, as you're the cat's meow, you're the this, you're the king, you're the queen, you're the prince. You're the center of the universe and all within it. It has no purpose without you. It doesn't matter what story you tell, that is the end. It will come back to that always, as science has. So now we're here. We're rising in consciousness. It's all up to you to make your life beautiful. And people are coming out. They're coming out. That's great. Okay, I can feel good. I know how to maneuver this place now. And they're going to get wonderful things and do wonderful things for everyone just by being in the same room together. It's great. So opulence, it pours out of you because it's a feeling that you're feeling. So then it's an aura that you have about yourself. And then this is what brings the law of attraction into play. And that in turn lets you know you now have put on that state of being. Okay, you're wearing it now. Okay. So it's wealth. The easiest way of obtaining this when you're having a difficult time with it is to just fall asleep, 5 minutes before you go to sleep. You just go lay down and say your prayers and then start saying wealth, success, wealth, success, and just do that to, lullaby yourself asleep with it. And that'll work. It will come to you before you know it. You include your gratitude during the day. You're grateful for what you do have. Life is sweet. So I hope this helps. Remember, you're the honey pot, and the essence inside you is the honey. Okay, so you're one, but you're not one. You're the honey pot, and you're the essence in the honey pot. It all comes from the same place. So it's all the essence, but there's a honey pot, and there's honey in it, and everything else is a fly. You catch more flies with honey than you do vinegar. It's up to you, of course. Hope this helps. Blessings to you, and thank you. Thank you for being you.
Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh, yeah? How does that strike you? Socko. me, but I like the 40. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs. Ooh, I move